Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial I will show you how you can actually grow your Discord server. So first of all, what I need you to do is make your server look good. How you can make it look good is by adding channels, adding an image to your Discord, making it look fancy and good when it opens, so it will be attractive for the eye. Next of all, you need to make a lot of roles. So you make administrator role, moderator role, and members, normal members role, and VIP roles, etc. So you can give for each one of your members a role that is specific for him, and there will be some moderators that can control your server while you are not here. Next, the thing that I really highly recommend for you to do is actually get a server boost. A server boost is really good because it adds a lot of interesting options. For example, if you went to the level 3 boost, what you will find is 100 server emoji slots, 30 custom sticker slots, 384 kilobytes audio quality, so it will be so much better, the audio quality, custom invite link for the server, 100 megabyte upload limit for all the members, and animated server banner. So you can actually make an animated server banner which will be super attractive. And even though there will be some random people that only get to a server only for like using this option also for streaming, because when you stream actually you can get higher quality using Nitro. So for example, if I stream like in here, as you can see, stream to your friends in high quality, and here 1080 pixel and 60 fps go live stream, so you have higher qualities which will attract a lot of people to come to your server and stream for their friends. And yeah guys, and what also I highly recommend is get some custom role icons, and also you can, sorry guys for the interruption. So anyway, what I highly recommend you to do guys is to make a permanent link for your Discord server and start publishing it on Telegram groups, on gaming servers, on anywhere in social media. And that's how you can actually make your server grow. For example, if you're a gamer, you can make you can invite people from the games that you play in, and etc. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.